This is the Hornby big tender Anzac, and onto this I fitted a Comet chassis, retained Hornby's valve gear, fitted replacement bogie wheels. If nothing more, do that. I'll be showing you on the Black 5 very shortly how easy that is to do. It makes a huge difference. Another thing I did was shorten the distance between the loco and the tender, because not just Hornby but all train set locomotives have to negotiate tight radii. What I did was cut the front of the tender off and made my own drawbar. I'll be showing you how to do that very, very simply, very easily, very soon. But the largest difference you can make is in the plumbing. If you see here, Britannia's were quite immodest, all the standards were, in having all their plumbing outdoors, as it were. And if you compare the two, between the bottom one, which is almost no relief whatsoever, and the top one, which has had the Comet fittings. They were done originally by John Brighton of Steamline. He's now sold them to Comet, and they consist of turnings and castings for the various bits. You're also given a diagram of what these injector water valve left hand side, injector water valve right hand side. You're a better man than I if you know which is which. Vacuum ejector steam valve, carriage warming valve, clack valve, and so on. And you also get replacement whistle, safety valves, and front and rear vacuum stand pipes. Another thing is etch deflectors, as opposed to plastic ones. And again, one thing you should note for all locomotives, none of them ran without lamps or discs. And this is, I may as well mention this now, these are spring side ones, spring side BR pattern. All I do is drill a tiny hole in the bottom and plug it with blue tack. And then that just fits over the lamp bracket, presses on. And then you can change to whatever designation of train the locomotive is hauling.